Hello, I'm SA11 from Nuvoton. Many of you may encounter challenges when starting development with an entire new development board. Today, I will guide you through our official website's design resource page to help you quickly begin your journey with NuMicro MA35D1. The design resource page assembles all MA35D1 related documents, software, and hardware resources. Divide into 8 sections to streamline the searching process and minimize user search time. Let's take the NuMicro HMI MA35D1 S1 evaluation board as an example. Begin by exploring its features and identifying suitable application. Then, leverage the design resource page to facilitate a quicker and efficient development process, allowing you to get your own application in shortest time.
First, let me show you how to locate the design resource page. Begin by visiting the Nuvoton official website and then navigate to the Products, Microprocessors, unquoted A35 MPUs, MA35D1 High Performance Edge IoT Series. Once you've reached the MA35D1 High Performance Edge IoT Series page, click on Design Resource, and you will be directed to the resource page. Here you can find our development flowchart divided into 3 parts and 7 states. The 3 parts are evaluation board, operating system, and software tools. To begin evaluating the MPU, first choose an evaluation board and refer its user manual. Next, select the required operating system and proceed to building the firmware. After compilation, download the necessary software tools for programming. Before programming, ensure the hardware settings such as power on setting and programming was. Upon completed these steps, you can view the results on the terminal. Now, let's focus on the most important part. This web page includes all our design resources, categorized into 8 sections: evaluation board, expressway, hardware reference, technical document, operating system, software and debugging tools, repository and sample code, and finally, support. In the evaluation board section, you can access the board's introduction, explore project options, and find a download link for the default image. This default image allows users to restore their evaluation board to its original state. The second section, Expressway, is an important guide for starting your development journey. It includes a quick start user manual and a virtual machine image. I recommend reading this entire section before beginning your development process. The hardware reference section supplies PCB data and information on modules officially approved by Nuvoton. Technical documents section supplies all of the IC's documents. It includes not only datasheet and TRM, but also includes application note and some reference design document. The operating system is an important aspect of MPU development. Depending on your application's requirements, it's essential to choose a suitable OS for development. The software and debugging tools section offers various simple software tools to expedite development, including programming tools, integrated development environment, IDE, debugging tools, and pin configuration utilities. Repository and sample code. Nuvoton not only provides kernel source code but also driver source code and example code. Users can include the source code into their target applications. The next section is support. Nuvoton offers 2 forums for technical consultation and discussions on various technical issues. Additionally, there are learning and introduction videos available to assist beginners in gaining a deeper understanding of IC knowledge.
That concludes the introduction to the design resource. The most important section is Expressway. For beginners, understanding hardware features might not be challenging, but integrating the development process can be. Expressway serves a step-by-step guide to help you get familiar with MA35D1. The design resource page assembles MA35D1 related development resources. Ensure efficient access to necessary data and speed up the development process. It facilitates resource discovery and accelerates development time. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.